Just the way everyone's got a unique fingerprint, so does everyone have a unique gift and talent in them. But come to the realization of what that gift or talent might be difficult for most people at times. If you're one of those people, this is a lucky day, because this video is going to make that process of realization a lot faster for you. Welcome to Truth View. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Chinedu Christian. I'm here with a couple of my guys. Yes. Firstly, let's discover your talent before we talk about your gifts. And to do this, I'll be using the 4 quadrants of work as suggested by Victor Frankl, the founder of Logotherapy. Now, the first quadrant are things that are hard to learn and hard to do. These are things you don't derive any pleasure from doing. Doing it seems like work. Excess work, not even just work. For example, telling a party planner to be a DJ, or telling a drummer to play the piano. The individual and the occupation are not compatible with each other, so it makes it hard for the person to learn and hard for the person to do. Which takes us to our second quadrant, which are things that are easy to learn but hard to do. This quadrant involves, like, let me call it hard labor. For example, digging a dish. You can just take a shovel and start digging, but once you start digging, you see that this is pretty hard to do. So it's not something you consider your talent. Which takes us to our third quadrant, which is things that are hard to learn but easy to do. In this quadrant, let me say, for example, let's use driving. Driving might be hard to learn at times, but once you learn it, it's pretty easy to do. Or using a computer. It might be hard to learn at first, but once you learn it, it's pretty easy to do. So, but whatever is supposed to be your gift or talent, it's not supposed to be hard for you to learn. Which takes us to our fourth quadrant, which are things that are easy to learn and easy to do. In terms of your talent, this is what you should ideally be doing. Something that is easy for you to learn and easy for you to do. This thing might not be necessarily easy for everyone, but for you, it's particularly easy that you've forgotten how you won't learn it. That is how good you've gotten at it. Okay, it seems like Champagne has a question.
So great guys, so if you have something, if you find something that is easy to learn and easy to do, does that make it your talent?
Okay, that is good question though. Discovering something that is easy for you to learn and easy for you to do doesn't necessarily make it your talent. Steve Harley once said one time, he said, obsession will always be talent. Talent is never enough. If you call something your talent, you have to become obsessed with it. If you want something to become your talent, whatever you find easy to learn and easy to do and you enjoy doing, you should become obsessed with it. That is when it becomes your talent. Take me for example. When I discovered that my talent was drumming, I was a drummer in church, so this is my talent, of course. So one day, someone in my church got inspired to drum from seeing me drum, and he became obsessed with it. The drummer, was practicing only 2 times a week. He just picked an interest and he started practicing like every day. He's practicing. So one day it came to be that we had to drum in church. He was the drummer that day. He blew everyone's mind with his new skills, rolling, and techniques. Like everyone was amazed. Even me that gave him the inspiration. Like I was like, damn, this guy is good. He blew my own mind, man. So, like, there's a story by Steve Harley. It said that during his high school days, they had this friend who used to he just likes cutting grass. They would invite him for parties, or like, let's go party, let's have fun. And he was like, no, I want to go and cut grass. Like, he prefers to just do that. He enjoys doing it. So that was like his own thing. He was considered a nerd for them, but this guy just like cutting grass. But now, the guy is earning $4 million per year from cutting grass. Guy, like $4 million per year from cutting grass. Like he does grass, all this gardening stuff for presidents, billionaires. So obsession is what makes something without talent. Now, talking about gifts. And gift is not something you picked up along the way or something just piqued an interest in. It's something that just comes to you naturally. It's something that you can say you were born with it. For example, let's say someone that has a good voice. There's someone that was born with a good voice. Didn't have to go for vocal lessons to get a good voice. She was just born with that, let's say, Beyonce level of voice, like that kind of thing you get. So what does she need to do for that gift to be developed? She really has to come and maintain it, take vocal lessons to enhance the use of that voice, not trying to get a good voice, because that is already a gift. She's already the best among the best with her voice. Once in a while, your gift is that it's something you are naturally just good at, and no matter how many people have the same gift as you, no one can do it like you. For real, no one can do it like you. That uniqueness is what makes it your gift. The uniqueness of it. You will think about it. There are a lot of musicians, but you can't. If I tell you now to mention 10 good musicians, you'll be able to mention 20. Because everyone has their own unique style, which makes their own just for them. They are the best to you in that way. You can't say, well, for one person the best. So everyone has their uniqueness is what makes your gift. Your uniqueness is your gift. With this knowledge, I would like you to go home, reflect, and think about what your gift or talent might be. One love.